Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can delete all chats in Messenger app. Please subscribe to our channel, put your likes, write comments. Let's get started. So, let's open the Messenger app with you. This is where we'll see our conversations. And let's say if you want to delete any of them. Then you're going to have to select it, swipe it to the left. Like this. To get a menu like this, we press More and select Delete. Then we confirm our action by pressing Delete again. And thus, the conversation is deleted. Let me show you again. Swipe left, More, Delete, and again. This is how you can delete a conversation. If you want to delete absolutely all the conversations you will have with one button, then, unfortunately, I have to disappoint you. This function is not provided by the Messenger. So if you want to delete absolutely all of your conversations, then you have to swipe all of them to the left like this and delete them. But there is another way to not be bothered by messages from this Messenger. There is one interesting option. For this, in the top left corner, we click on the three bars. Then we click on our name. And we get a window like this. I have a few more accounts added here, a few more messengers. But if you don't have any, then you can click Log into another account. To easily add another, let's say, Messenger account. Once you switch to that account, then the messages from that Messenger account won't bother you anymore. But yes, you will have messages from the other Messenger account. Also, if you, say, want to permanently delete all your chat history from your current account, then the only option you have is to delete your Facebook account. Only that way they will all be deleted. And either if you don't want anyone to see your Messenger conversations, say, if you let someone else use your phone for a while or you change your phone, then the easiest solution is to simply delete the Messenger app itself from your phone. To do this, on the work screen we tap on the Messenger app. And we can see here Remove App. We need to click on Remove App. Next, we confirm our action by tapping Delete App. As soon as we confirm our action, Messenger will be completely deleted from our phone. Accordingly, absolutely all chats will be deleted, and no one will be able to see your correspondence in Messenger. These are the ways how to delete chats in Messenger. I hope this video was useful for you. Be sure to put your likes, comments, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon.